Hi guys. Hi guys. Thank you so much for 9 subscribers. And anyways, I had a new house. I'm giving a new house tour, and I also just bought the new pack. I think it's like the Besties pack. I don't know. So this is Christmas edition, and it's really cute. So we have the outside, really cute. Inside, look at vacuum. Yeah, I'm putting it. It's really cool. Anyways, this is our elevator. Also, my house resetted. So over here we have like pans and our refrigerator, beautiful. Still have a baby. Oh my gosh, baby's crazy. So man's like dancing. I think you're supposed to use these like microphones, like little sing-along microphones. So just put them there. And also, I love the new couch. Like, look at this. So it looks like a baby. Watch. The baby's been sleeping. It's so cute. No one cares, baby. Anyways, this is our outside. Really stupid. Stupid trampoline. You're having fun with your life. Look at this little floating thing. No one cares. Anyways, this is like, I feel like this is, I love this place. I just grabbed whatever Christmas stuff I could find. Anyways, now we're going to the next level. Let's go. Guys, this is our bathroom. It's not my favorite. This is not my favorite floor, but not my least favorite floor. So it's really cute, our bathroom. Here we have the girls. Her favorite color is purple and green. Only purple and only green. Anyways, let's go on some. Let's go on purple. Also, while she's sleeping, give her stuffed animal. Good night. We have. Take your freaking name. So we're just gonna. Okay, let's go into the pajamas because I don't know why I'm in the pajamas. Here's this diaper, poopy diaper. There's a little button diaper thing that's really weird. But he's gonna sleep in it tonight because he's what the? It's a stuffed animal. He's a stuffed animal. What does he want? He loves dogs. So we're trying to to sleep now. We need pajamas too. The face not so good night. Parents, are you in your pajamas? No, you're in your work clothes. Good for you. Let's get you in some pajamas. Yeah, we'll take care of your glasses too, so. So yeah, we're sleeping. Okay. So really nice. The room's pretty boring, you know. Simple, there's a hat. What else do they have? But anyways, let's go to the next level because it's my favorite level. So this is like my favorite floor. So anyways, we have over here this little dog. He's so cute. I love him. Look at how happy, but he doesn't look happy yet. So yeah, it's like skincare treatment, her pack. And then we have a water bottle. We have a little prom thing, her credit card, Also, they had a new update, so my house reset and was terrible. Anyways, we have her idols over here, really nice. Over here, where I just opened the drawer, over here, where my heart, this half of the heart is. Those are her idols. We have some, I don't know what that is. We have a little, I don't have the little post thing here. I don't need to, I guess. Okay, anyways, we have her clothes. So where she actually is in her pajamas. Are you freaking in your pajamas? Yes, good job. I'm giving you a scholarship. Anyways, so she likes pink and blue, but I don't know why she has a purple one of those. Don't ask why. So these are really cool because oh my gosh, it turns into a hat. If you didn't know that, and you can put it on your dog. You can put it on your dog, which is really hilarious. Anyways, so we're just gonna drop it back here. And I don't know why does this one like what? Does that one twice? Anyways, we're just gonna put it like that. It's really cute. Her pink drink. and books and makeup and these little fidgets, and they make the same sound, which is really weird, and they're new, so I really like them. And anyways, bye, and again, thanks again for 9 subscribers. Bye.